and 2 refrigerators for you to use for Filipina, and this is for the husband, the foreigner. We have a strong internet here, which is you can use PLDT, Phil Products, or Starlink. It's your choice. Good afternoon, my dear pips. Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, no other than almaalmontefulco. So for today's vlog, my pips, I am going to show you a 2-bedroom house which is for rent, located here in Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines. The property has 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, semi-furnished, gated and fenced, and of course, if you have a car, this property is suitable for you because this property has a covered garage. As you can see at the back of my shoulder, it is very wide. What are you waiting for? Let's go and have a quick look inside of this nice home. Tara! I'm gonna show you inside. So you would see what is your expectations when you're gonna rent this home. This is a living area. It has an air conditioned already, so it is cold and very good for my future tenant if they wanted to have a house with a aircon. So also, what I like most in this is this couch, very comfortable while you're watching your Netflix, and we have a strong internet here, which is you can use PLDT, Phil Products, or Starlink. It's your choice. This is where the dining area here, and this is the kitchen. We have nice cabinets here and long island here that you can cook, enjoy your meal. And it has also already 2 electric burner gas stoves if you love to cook, and 2 refrigerators for you to use for Filipina, and this is for the husband, the foreigner. So choose which one do you like, but you can have 2 refrigerators for your Filipina or for yourself as a foreigner. All right, now I'm gonna show you the first bedroom, which is considered as the master's. Also, it has an ensuite bath. Let's go. So, this is the master's bedroom. And then we have air conditioned, we have a queen size bed, we have a cabinet, and this is the ensuite bath that you can use. It has hot and cold shower, so you can enjoy your shower. So now I'm gonna show you the common bathroom, and then I'm gonna show you the second bedroom. So this is the common bathroom that your family, friends, or kids can use. It has no hot and cold shower, but if you wanted to have one, we can request. And this is the second bedroom of this property. This can be the bedroom of your friends, family, kids, or if you have a guest, they can use this room. We have air conditioned, we have also cabinets, and it is also grilled. So you're very safe if you're going to rent this house. All right, my dear pips, now I'm going to show you around so you can see what is outside. So we're gonna go this way here. All right, so in this side here, we call that outer kitchen. You could have your washing here, and then you can just wash, or if you have guests, you wanted to have a party, you can just cook or clean here outside. So that is where also the gas tank located. And the other side near the gate is, as of the moment, the old tenant use it as their washing area, but this can be your garden. So if you may, you can also put your washing machine here, because the old tenant literally used this as their washing area. So that's it. And that's all for today, my dear peeps. Thank you so much for watching Living in Dumaguete. So if you're looking to have a house here in Valencia and you wanted to rent, please don't forget to contact me. And if you wanted to have a private tour of this house, I'm very happy to assist you. And of course, if you wanted to book this property prior you're moved in, please let me know and I will be very happy to send you the contract and we can book this property for you. So I'm very excited for you to have this home. So what are you waiting for? Contact me now. Thank you very much, my peeps. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Living in Dumaguete so you are gonna be notified for our future vlogs. Bye! Thank you!